I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by creating the physical brick. In object mode, set units and scale so transforms are predictable, then add a cube and enter exact dimensions for a standard brick. Once done, switch to modifiers and add an array to create multiple bricks quickly. This saves time on alignment. Make sure to use relative offset for consistent spacing and apply transforms, Ctrl-A, before further edits to avoid scale-related shading issues. Now refine geometry and prepare for texturing. You go into edit mode, add a small bevel at 0.02 to break perfectly sharp edges. This improves lighting and realism. Next, use inset on the face to simulate mortar or a recessed face. This also helps when baking. Make sure to mark seams logically and unwrap UVs, then pack islands to maximize texture space. Doing this early prevents stretching and makes later material painting much cleaner and faster. Finish by applying modifiers and setting a clean origin so instances behave predictably. You should then bake normal and ambient occlusion maps to capture high-detail surface information. These give realistic shading in game or render engines. Export using OBJ or GLB depending on target. If things go wrong, first check face normals and remove duplicate vertices. Recalculating normals, Shift-N, and running merge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.